Hello, I'm Mark Calloway and welcome to the 16th video in our Revit Tutorials for Beginner series. And in this video we're going to take a look at creating a sheet. So first of all, in the project browser on the left hand side, we're going to find the category for sheets. If you right click on sheets, at the very top of the context menu you have the option to create a new sheet. With that selected, Revit will prompt you to choose a title block in which to use. If you don't have one loaded, you can always load one in via the load button. With the title block selected, click the OK button and Revit will generate a new blank sheet for you to use, and you'll see that listed in the project browser. To add content to your sheet, for example, should I wish to, let's add this wall section in here. So under our views and sections we have a view that we're going to add to our sheet. I'm just going to simply left click, and it looks like this one might have already been added onto the sheet, indicated by the little blue marker there. Now if a view has already been added onto a sheet, when we left click and drag the view over our main workspace and let go, as you can see it's already added to a sheet, so Revit's going to prompt us and tell us which sheet that's been added to, so we can't use that. So key thing there, a view can only be added onto a sheet once. If you want to add it on to a second sheet, you'll have to duplicate it. Okay. So let's have a look at this render here from the parking area. So we're going to drag that across. It's going to be attached to my mouse cursor as soon as I let go of the left mouse button. I can choose where to place it on the sheet, left click, and it's going to add that view onto the sheet there. And again, let's find another one. We've got a furniture plan here. We'll see if this one will fit on this this sheet, but I'm going to left click and drag that view across, and it just might fit on the sheet. It's going to overlap the first one, but we'll delete that in a second. So I can click to place this. That's going to add that view there. I'm just going to select the other view and just delete that with the delete key. It's not just views that you can add onto sheets. We can, for example, add schedules. So we have a door schedule here. I'm going to left click and hold down. I'm going to drag that across and let go. And it's going to attach the door schedule to my mouse cursor. I can left click and place that where I like on the sheet. The title block information can be updated. So some of these, a bit like tags, you can left click and you can edit the values that are in there. These are just pulling out parameters within the project, so if you know where the parameters are located, you can change it directly where you need to change that. For example, in the properties window for the sheet, we should have drawn by, which currently says author, and we can see drawn by in the title block. I pop my name in here and apply that. You'll see that the sheet will update to now have my name. Project parameters such as the project name and the project number you can access on the Manage tab. So if we go to the Manage tab on the ribbon bar, we should have our project information. There we go, project information. And in here we can find stuff such as the project name, the client's name, and project number. For example, for the project number, let's just type in 1001, and you'll see the project number update on the sheet there. Thank you for watching.